guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I thought I would review some of MissGuided's loungewear, but more in particular their Playboy collection. So it's quite a funky collection and I always find it sells out really quickly, so it's really popular. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna give this a try. So I got a fair bit of the collection that was in my size. So I got everything in a size 8, I believe. Quite some funky colours going on. There's a lot of pink, white and black. So yeah, I've not ever tried loungewear from MissGuided before, so I'm intrigued to see what the fit's going to be like, but it's got to be popular for a reason and I wanted to give it my own opinion. So let's get to it. Okay, so I'm going to start with the pink thing staring at me in this bag. So we'll start with this one. So this is what it looks like. So they even have their own Playboy x MissGuided packaging. That's kind of cool. So this is the Playboy bunny all over hoodie dress. So I love the idea of just throwing on a hoodie and it being long enough to be a dress, and that's your outfit for a day. So I just want to open this carefully. There we go. So I don't wear loads of pink, but I kind of like this baby pink, and it even comes, look, there's even Playboy tissue paper in with it. They've really gone all out. So this feels really nice and thick. It does actually feel really lovely quality actually. So yeah, I got this one in an 8 and it's just got, so that's what it looks like. So it just looks like a humongous hoodie basically, but it's a dress and it's kind of cute being like pink with the white Playboy bunny on it. So I'm just going to throw this one on and we'll see what it looks like, but it's got a hood and yeah, it's kind of sweet and it's really like, it's a nice quality. It's not too thick, but it doesn't feel like cheap or thin, if that makes sense. It just feels nice. So yeah, let's see what this one looks like. The neck hole is on the small side of this one. I don't know if you guys can see. It's kind of very comfy once it's on, but because I've got a lot of hair and maybe a big head, I don't know, it's a little bit of a struggle to get it on. So just keep that in mind, and if you wear glasses, take them off before you wedge this on because it's very painful when they get squashed into your face. I'm not gonna lie, this is the comfiest thing I've ever put on and I don't think I ever want to take it off again. I'm not sure the colour is the right sort of colour for me. I think pale pink just is a little bit, it washes me out, but if this was black, I know it's the most ill-fitting jumper ever, but I'm so comfy in this. And the pocket's a little bit unusable, like if I actually put stuff in there it would just kind of like hang. I don't know, there's something, it's just so comfy to be in like a big jumper, and it is long enough, like it's full on a dress. Like you can just throw this on and you're good. But I would wear shorts underneath it because if you lift your arms up, as you can see, it kind of comes with it, so it's a little bit dangerous if you wear nothing underneath. But yeah, I'm so comfy, I'm not gonna lie. But it is obviously extremely oversized. It's not showing off a figure, it's just comfy. Nice loungewear though, but not my cup of tea. This just isn't my thing. If it was black with white bunnies on, maybe, but the colour's wrong for me, and I think because it's a lighter colour, it just kind of is more obvious, whereas if it's black, I think it would just, maybe it wouldn't look as big. I don't know. Let me know what you think, but I think this one's a no. The next thing I got is a white t-shirt. So I think everything comes quite oversized, it's just kind of very loungy, so even though it's a size 8, it's a big size 8, if that makes sense. They're going for the oversized bit. So again, it comes with a lovely sheet of custom tissue paper. You could reuse it, wrap a Christmas present in it or something. I know Christmas is a bit far away, but better to keep it. So this is the white t-shirt. So this is a size 8 and it's just got simple Playboy on the front and then it's got a melting bunny print on the back. So, you know, basic white t-shirt, not bad quality. Not sure on the melting bunny picture on the back, but it's just cute to throw on over the top of whatever and just wear it with leggings maybe. It's just kind of a cute oversized t-shirt. So no, don't hate it, not like obsessed with it. It's a very simple front. It kind of, yeah, we'll see what it looks like on. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It is just very oversized. I'm not sure I'm feeling this one. Like it's, I kind of, if I had this t-shirt, I'd want to cut it up, turn it into like a cute crop, or, you know, do something with it. This is just a little bit too white and too oversized, but I do like the back of it. It's something something funky, but I think I would want to like turn it into a crop top or cut it up a little bit and do a design with it. I'm just not feeling it as it is. I think I would prefer like a black oversized one or a different colour. White just, I don't know, and I am wearing the wrong colour underwear and it shows, but just not feeling it, if I'm honest. I'm not feeling it. I think, yeah, I think black with white writing, fine, but white with black, it's just, there's a lot of space. I don't know, let me know what you think, but I just think it's a bit naff. So the next thing I got is another pink piece. So I think this is just a nice pink t-shirt. So you can get matching pink trackies, I believe. Let's have a look. So it's just got the nice simple Playboy symbol on the front, and then it has thick writing down the back. So it's just kind of, it's very oversized. Like, I don't think it matters what size you get from this place. They're probably all just humongous because that's just the style. It's just all, it's just things you throw on, or you, like, I would sleep in t-shirts like this. You know, I prefer my t-shirts probably a little bit smaller if I'm lounging, but this is a t-shirt dress, like, no doubt about it. You wouldn't actually have to wear leggings under that. It's definitely going to be long enough. So I'll go throw that one on and we'll see what it looks like. So this one, I'm just like, what is this? This is their size 8 oversized fit t-shirt, but it's just huge. Like, the way it's draping on me, I'm not feeling this, and I think the colour is totally wrong for me. This just does not, you know, like some colours work for people, this one just isn't working for me, I don't think. And I just, look at the way it's sitting, it's just, ooh, I don't like this one. I like the writing and I like the sort of, you know, block writing down the back, I like the style of that, but just, what is this? Like, I could make 2 nice dresses out of this. Like, I know loungewear is meant to be like oversized sometimes and comfy, but this is like a new level. This is, I can do an oversized t-shirt in black, but more often than not I want to like tie it or crop it or, you know, turn it into something. This just isn't a look in my eyes. Like, I'm not feeling this one. Yeah, oh god, no. The more I look at it, the more I'm like, no, just, oh. Sorry, MissGuided, this one is not the one. So the next thing I thought I would try is the leggings. So I just saw them hiding amongst the trackies and I thought leggings, it's a nice, kind of like a tighter alternative to trackies, and I wanted to see what the quality was like of leggings from MissGuided because never tried them. So first opinion, lovely thick waistband. Like, the elastic is a good 2 inches thick, so that's going to feel really nice and comfortable, especially because they're high-waisted, so that's going to sit lovely around the waist. And then it's just got the Playboy symbol X MissGuided on them, nice and simple. And then they're just basic cotton leggings. Are they going to be see-through? Maybe. Yes, I think a little bit. But you're not going to be gymming in these. Like, I'm not going to be dropping a squat. I'd probably wear these with an oversized t-shirt anyway. So that's those leggings. And actually, talking of oversized t-shirts, I can grab another one out the bag because there's a few. So is this a t-shirt? Yeah, so let's try them on with a t-shirt. So this is another size 8 t-shirt, but chances are it's going to be oversized. So this is the t-shirt I went for. So it just has the Playboy symbol on the front, and then it's kind of like a band tee with loads of things on the back. So just some information about Playboy, I think it's written on in text at the back. So I kind of like the style of this one. I think it looks intriguing. So I'll try on this tee with the leggings and we can see what the fit's like. Okay, so this is how they both look. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tuck the t-shirt up so we can actually look at the leggings first. So not gonna lie, these are actually really nice leggings. They sit really nice and high-waisted. You've got the really thick band that kind of sits, you know, just where your waist is, so it actually like holds you in and it just feels really nice. I like the t-shirt and the leggings together because you have like the matching bunny, and I like that it's just a simple logo here and that's it. Like, I love black and white together. I think it's just, it just works, and they actually fit really nice. So they're not overly see-through at all. Obviously they're not gym leggings, they're more casual ones, but they're so comfy, and they're a nice thick cotton. Like, I think they're absolutely fine actually. And they fit really nice. You can move in them, they're not like not stretchy enough. And the t-shirt I think is really kind of funky. It literally is just kind of like punk rocky, a little bit stylish. I like the fact it's got the writing on the back. I would probably crop it at the front. Like I would like tie that in a knot or like put it into the waistband like that. And this is more of something I'd wear rather than it be like all oversized and drown me. Like I like to, you know, I like form fitting but I also like comfy, so this is like a nice in between. But no, I'm quite impressed with these leggings actually. For just simple cotton leggings, these are actually really nice. They feel nice and they're really comfy, which is the main thing. So no, I really like these. So the next thing I thought I would try, it was kind of like a cardigan, or it looked similar to that but like a tight fitting one. So I thought I would give it a go. So I got it in white and it's just kind of like a long sleeve crop cardigan, and I kind of think these like cropped cardigans are quite in at the moment, and I just thought I would give this one a try. So it just has the Playboy symbol on the side. I'm not sure if I like the one where it says X MissGuided underneath it. I think I prefer it just with the bunny head or just Playboy. I'm not sure if I feel that, but this just, I thought it was going to be a little bit thicker than it is. It's just like a basic white t-shirt but with buttons going down. So let's see what it fits like. I like more form-fitting pieces, so this is probably more up my street. So we'll see what it looks like. I've just put this one on and I've got to say the arms just feel small on this one. Like they just feel a bit tighter than I'd like. They're like lacking a tiny bit of stretch towards the base, but let's do it up a little bit. So I think this is meant to be like a cute kind of like cardigan crop top, which I do really like that style at the moment, but I think I would prefer a slightly thicker material and potentially a bigger size. Let's have a look. So they do this one in black as well. I think black would be better than white. Yeah, this just doesn't sell it to me. Like this is really tight down here. And I'm just, yeah, I prefer these types of tops without a logo, I think. Or maybe just the bunny would be cute. But this just, it just is all round too tight, and the fabric is just kind of like a cheap cotton. Like you want a thicker material in like the little cardigan crops, I think. Kind of like a thin knitwear, I would think anyway. Yeah, I'm not feeling this one. I thought maybe in like a micro fibre kind of black one would look nice, you know, like kind of like sport legging material. I think that would be really cute and it would be quite streamlined. But this just looks cheap, dare I say it. I'm just not feeling this. It just, yeah, it doesn't look like anything special. So this one is a no. The next thing I got is a pair of Trackies. Now, I don't know why I'm reviewing this Playboy loungewear collection. I was just more intrigued. Like, I'm not got anything against Playboy or anything like that. It just amuses me that it's so popular. It's just one of those things. But I've got to say, these are actually really nicely made loungewear. And these Trackies, they feel so warm and comfy. And I've got to say, I don't hate the bunny all over it. Like, it's kind of cute. It's kind of cute. So these are just drawstring black Trackies. Kind of a nice baggy oversized fit, but the waist is a nice size 8, I would say. So they're going to fit quite nice, I think, and just be comfortable. Yeah, I don't mind these. I normally go for like plain Trackies, but these are kind of something a bit funky. So let's try them on. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I actually love these Trackies. They are a beautiful quality. Like, these are thick, but not like too heavy, if that makes sense. Like, they're not too thick, and they actually fit really nice. Like, considering how oversized this collection is, these are like baggy Trackies, but also like they fit me nice. Like, this is how I would expect kind of like size 8 oversized to fit. And then they have elasticated bottoms, just like that, and they're just really cute. I like the drawstring. I think that's really useful. No, I really I like these. Like, I would wear them in the black and white. It's great. I think black is just a nicer colour for lounging in. Like, when I'm lounging, I'm probably going to be pigging out on food as well. Like, I'm not going to wear white or light pink. That is just asking for a problem. Whereas black is just wearable, and I think it just looks a bit sleeker, in my opinion. Let me know what you think, but I like these ones. These ones I can work. I don't this is my favourite thing so far, I would say. I think it's the only thing that I would actually wear so far. Oh, and the leggings and the top. Basically anything black and white in this collection, I approve. And the final thing I got is a black jumper, I believe. So it's a crop sweatshirt. So let's have a look. So I like kind of oversized things, but not when they like drown me head to toe. So I think a like cropped jumper is more my thing than just like an oversized jumper or an oversized t-shirt. Let's have a look. So it's just, I love black and white together, so I like it, the fact that it's black with white writing. It just says Playboy in caps, and then it's kind of got like the effect that it's literally just been chopped, which is kind of funky. So we'll see what this one looks on. This is more the type of jumper I would wear just with leggings or jeans. So no, I quite like this one. So let's see what it looks like. This is how it fits, and it's kind of, it's just quite cute. It's a very easy fit, it's very comfortable. It just shows my waist, which is nice. So it's kind of like oversized, but it's not hiding. So I like this look. Like this is kind of like comfy, warm, loungy kind of PJ wear. So no, this is, I like this together, I think. So no, I quite like this top as well. It's not overly thick. It's kind of just a nice, kind of what a sweatshirt would be made of maybe. It's not like too heavy, so you're not going to overheat. No, I quite like this. I think this is something I would wear. Like it's a little bit different with the Playboy bunny on it, but it's kind of, it's wearable and it's cute. So no, I like this. That's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of this MissGuided collection. I'm not sure if I'm hot on it. Like, it's something different, and I like the quality of the items, and I like the different colours and black and white, but I'm just not sure if I'm feeling the bunny all over them. I don't know. Let me know what you think, but it's something different. But I'll link everything down below along with my social media if you'd like to check anything out. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you're all well, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.